kasi I am interested in answering some of it. Near, I love you heard the song na, ay, nauna ka pa? Ako hindi ko pa naririnig. Joke lang. Narinig ko na, syempre. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can drop. Title reveal! Guys, na-reveal ko na yung title. So, okay, to everyone na bago lang, sa mga hindi pa nakakita ng post ko, I am gonna release a new song. And it's not an original, but this is my rendition of one of the classic OPM songs. Ni-research ko to parang 2007. So, matagal na yun, grabe. Parang ilang taon na ako nung 2007. So, this is my rendition of, drum rolls, Sabihin. So, alam ko, for sure, tinanong ko yung isang friend ko na, kahapon ba yun? Parang pauwi ako galing work, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, alam mo ba yung song na Sabihin? Tapos kinanta ko sa kanya yung, Sabihin, ganon. Tapos sabi niya, oo, ilang taon lang yun, parang 16 lang siya. So I believe everyone knows that song, grabe. It's a classic song. And yeah, sabihin ko na yun, okay. Okay, ang corny niyo, corny. Okay, naninibago ako sa speaking voice mo. Oo nga, ako din eh. Bakit ka naninibago? Like, ako pa rin to. Si Zephanie na nagmamahal sa'yo. Wow! Try natin mag-play ng mga songs. I-release po ba sa Spotify? Of course! This would be available on all streaming platforms in 16 minutes. No, joke lang. 26 pala. Hala, di marunong mag-math. 26 minutes. Yes, my UMG fam is here! What's your height? Ay, hindi po to relevant sa song natin. Joke lang. My height, siguro 6. 6-footer ako, guys. Kung di kayo naniwala, ask my friends. Anong feelings if ako na una mag-pre-save? Sabi ni Ben. It's such an honor. Thank you so much for that. Okay, let's play, maybe... Okay lang naman siguro. Natatakot ako eh. Ayoko na. Huwag na nga tayo mag-play ng music kasi enough na yung boses ko. Maingay na ako. So, kanta na lang ako. Ayoko. Kasi, joke lang. Hindi, gusto ko yung una yung maririnig after a long time is yung song ko. So, Sep, antok na ako. Hindi pwede. Kailangan mo maghintay. May 25 minutes pa. Kaya mo yan. Hi, Ate Gabby. Congrats in advance. Thank you po so much. Guitar. May sipon ba ako? Wala naman. Hindi, feeling ko talaga ganito na yung boses ko. Like, nag-iba na siya. Nag-evolve na siya. Naging Pokemon na siya, guys. Ganda ng background. Wow. Nasa Galaxy kasi ako. Okay, wait lang. Baka may mga questions na pala kayo. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Okay. Hindi siya question, but sabi niya, excited to hear your song. Ako din, I'm so excited to share this with all of you guys kasi we've been working on this parang last year pa. So, matagal na process to kasi we wanna make sure na na okay lahat and syempre talagang kung ano yung na-imagine namin for this song is yun yung may share namin sa inyong lahat. So, thank you for that. Ano ba ito? Roses. Para ba mag-next ng question? Okay. Ay! Ano nangyari? Okay, ayun pala. Ito sabi ni Zepha Meme. Ayan, guys. So, shinare ni UMG dyan sa comment section yung pre-save link. So, you can pre-save the song na para once na it's out in 23 minutes. I love math. You can listen to it na. Sabi ni Zepha Memes. How happy are you right now? Sobrang happy. Hindi ko alam. I mean, depende sa standard ng happiness nyo. But, ano daw? Sobrang happy ko. I haven't been really on social media this past few weeks. I mean, I do try to update you guys with everything or with some of the life happenings. Pero, not everything talaga na-share ko, but sobrang happy ko. Of course, nandun pa rin yung mga struggles and nandun yung mga down days and bad days, but it's part of life, and that's what makes life beautiful. So super happy ako kasi I get to experience life. Wow, and I thank you. Okay. Uy, may nagsabi dito sa comments, ay sa questions, na nakapasa daw siya sa exam. Hindi ko na i-appear dyan, but congrats! Ano pa ba? Let's see. Ano ba pwede itanong? Hindi ko din alam. Ikaw. Ito. Sabi niya, mananakit na naman daw ba ako? You know, that's one of the things that I love doing. When it comes to music, ibang-iba yung dating kapag ganito yung mga pinapakinggan ko or kinakanta ko. I'm sorry guys, baka lang masaktan kayo sa song na to. Depende siguro how you're gonna listen to the song. So, baka masaktan kayo, pero sana hindi naman kayo maiyak. Pero kung maiyak kayo, sabihin nyo sa akin kung maiyak kayo. Wow, sabihin nyo sa akin. Okay, tingnan natin dito sa comment section, baka meron silang question. Sabi niya, wait, sa akin lang ba to? Paiba-iba voice niya, parang super big girl. Big girl na siya. I think, thankful ako na marinig yun. Kasi at least, alam ko na nag-grow ako. Lumalim boses mo. Talaga ba? Siguro nga. Pero marami ako nakitang comments from, like, my mga past performances, like recent performances ko, na sinasabi nyo na lumalaki yung boses ko. Feeling ko, ako din, na-feel ko lumaki yung boses ko. At least yung boses ko lang, yung lumaki. Yun lang ang pwedeng lumaki, guys, sa buhay natin. Yeah, ang lalim. Or baka dahil gabi na, kaya ganun. Anyway, guys, just wanna share siguro some, like, ano bang pwede ko i-share sa song na to? During the recording of this song, sobrang bilis lang ng recording namin kasi kapag narinig niyo yung kanta, malalaman niyo kung bakit mabilis lang yung recording namin. Kasi dun sa song, we did this and we did that. Kaya yon. Ayoko muna super duper i-spoil kayo, pero malapit naman yun ang marinig. And this would be available on all digital streaming platforms. And meron din kaming, ano yung tawag doon? Lyric video. At meron pang isa. So, abangan nyo kung anong sasabihin ko mamaya. Pero, yeah. Ayun. Yun. Ano ba? Like, any question pa, guys? Ay, normal voice na naman siya. Bakit? Bakit nyo inisip yung boses ko, guys? Ilang minutes na lang, yes! Feeling ko lang, kasi matagal niyo akong hindi narinig magsalita ng normal. Like, usually naririnig niyo na ako kumanta. Pero naririnig niyo naman ako lagi kumanta. So, ano bang... Hindi ko alam. Bakit ganyan kayo? Can you sing palagi? Uy. That's one of my favorite songs. Congrats kay Kuya TJ. What inspires you to write original songs? Wow, thank you po for that question, Mr. AJ. Well, siguro about that, guys. Syempre, this year I am aiming for an album, and gusto ko talaga makashare sa inyo ng mga original songs. So what inspires me siguro is, syempre, to share that side of me na I also want to share kung ano yung parang mga imaginations ko, or pwede ding based on life experiences through music. And I think music plays such a big part in our lives. Kaya, ayun. I just wanna continue to use this talent that was given to me by God to share and inspire you guys. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako magaling magsulat ng song. Pero I try to, and I try to work on it. And also, I am blessed with like people and friends who are so gifted and talented. So, natutulungan nila ako na magsulat ng songs. Ngayon, habang ongoing yung process ng, mga albums and songs na isi-share ko sa inyo soon. How's your acting era? Sobrang grabe yung experience, guys. Like, recently we also did Daig Kayo ng lola ko, and ongoing pa rin to, guys, yung episodes every Saturdays 6:15 p.m. So abangan yan every Saturday. This is the story na ang hero ni Jiro. So tomorrow in a few minutes. So sa isang araw para. This Saturday ulit yung second episode. So abangan niyo yan. And kasama ko dyan si Althea Ablan, si Marco Masa, and si Sean Lucas, si Kuya Chucky, si Tita Jeline, and marami pa. Like, mostly mga naka-work ko na, and new people din na naka-work ko sa industry na to. So, fun, dahil kakaiba siya. Syempre, parang magical yung feeling. And, syempre, inspiring din yung story, kahit na short lang siya na episodes. But, abangan nyo yan this Saturday ulit. And marami pa. Like, ang dami naming ginagawa recently. So, excited ako to share yan din sa inyong lahat. But for now, of course, I want you guys to really support me on this new song, and my rendition of Sabihin. Kasi it's been a long time na rin. Hindi naman, but yung parang makapag-release ng song talaga. So, finally, it would be out in a few minutes. Kaya, chill lang tayo dito. Ang tagal. At also pala, sobrang init recently this past few days, guys. Sobrang init. So, make sure na lagi kayong hydrated, and magdala kayo lagi ng payong and vitamins, guys. It's so important. So, ingatan niyo yung sarili niyo kasi hindi niyo ako palaging kasama dito para alagaan kayo. Wow! Hi, Ate Lee. Let's go. O, diba? Mali pa yung spelling mo ng go. Ano kayang mararamdaman nyo kapag napakinggan nyo itong song na to? Kasi ako, nung una ko siya napakinggan, parang ang bigat sa feeling nung song, kasi yung meaning ng song, parang 'di ba, yung original nito is very rock and very, parang pop rock talaga. So, for this one, I don't know Hindi ko alam kung ano namang style ang maririnig nyo, kung paano nyo siya papakinggan. Kung gusto nyo maging, siya, metallic, gano'n. Ayoko mag-share ng sobrang maraming kung ano-ano, but okay, hindi ko alam kung i-share ko na sa inyo yung isang bagay. But, I also wanna thank you. Ano daw? I also wanna thank, sorry, kasi 11 na. I also wanna thank, syempre, the people behind this project. Syempre, my Cornerstone family, my Sparkle family, and syempre, my UMG family for all the support sa mga projects, and for this one specifically kasi talagang joined forces lahat to share this one finally. So, thank you guys, and I'm so blessed to have and to be a part of these families talaga. So, ang dami na, no? Ang dami na daming dumadating na tao sa buhay ko na nakaka-contribute sa growth and naka-inspire and motivate sa akin to keep on getting better and to keep moving forward despite of all the challenges in life na hindi natin may iwasan. So, if you're here and you're watching and you're going through something, I just want to say that you are not alone in this journey. Ano ba naging? Kasi 11 PM talks. Gusto ko lang kayo motivate na giving up will never, ever, ever be the answer. And don't be scared. Don't be afraid to seek help. And syempre, seek God, 'di ba? Kasi after all, talagang all the comfort and peace and the solutions would come from Him. I can testify to that. So, even like sa process nitong sabihin, marami kaming mga naging, mga concerns, but all raised to God. And at the end of the day, talagang you'll figure it all out. So, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. And I am here for you. And we love you. And I love you. So, yeah. What's new po sa'yo aside from sabihin? Well, aside from sabihin, for those of you who don't know yet, I started acting na rin. And, yun nga, you can watch Daig Kayo ng Lola Ko every Saturdays. And marami pa to come, but that's all I can share for now. But today is Sabihin Day. And, ang tagal bigla ng oras, parang ilang minutes na lang. Hindi, joke lang. 12 minutes na lang. 12 minutes na lang! Okay. Bakit kayo kumakanta dyan sa comment section? Ba't kinakanta niyo? Matulog ka na, sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka magpupuyat. Ngayon lang naman po, ate. Ngayon lang po ako magpupuyat. Well, yeah, ngayon lang naman. Or actually, lately, medyo puyat talaga ako, guys. Kasi marami tayong iniisip, tsaka ginagawa. And thank you for that. Thank you, Lord, for that, for the blessings. Pero, mafe-feel mo talaga minsan yung pagod kapag nakapagpahinga ka. Kung kailan ka nakapag-rest, doon mo na feel yung pagod. But, okay, ano bang, siguro pwede ko nang i-share sa inyo yung favorite part ko sa song. Hi, Kuya Popoy. Ay, Kuya pala, sorry na. Sorry. Sorry na. Kuya pala. Okay. I correct myself. Kuya. Okay, yun. Sasabihin ko na yung favorite part ko. I think yung unang part ng song. At saka yung dulo. At saka yung gitna, tas yung verse, pati yung chorus. Yeah, yun yung favorite ko, guys. Hindi, pero feeling ko favorite part ko yung first and last part kasi there's just something to it na whenever I sing that part, na-challenge ako. Pero pag na-perfect ko siya or nagawa ko based dun sa kung paano ko siya na-imagine, sobrang nasa-satisfy yung parang brain ko. Yung alam mo yung pag merong ganon, yung pag, ano ba tawag doon? Yung pag nag-fidget, yung mga fidget spinner, di ba pag nagagawa nyo, parang may nasa-satisfy na feeling. So, that feeling, when I'm able to sing it the way I imagined it, yon. So, first and last part. But, there's always something about the chorus part, di ba? May impact talaga yung chorus na part. So, para lang maiba, yung first and yung last part. Yung brain cell, siguro. Oo, yung brain cell. Gusto na namin marinig, nga ako din. Hindi talaga, guys. Feeling ko, it's either talaga nagbago yung boses ko or sa speaker nyo lang yun. Siguro, meron lang Hi, Kuya MP! Ito, aking hiling. Yes, ang aking hiling ay magustuhan nyo ang bagong song na i-release ko. In a few minutes, in 9 minutes! 9 minutes, guys, maririnig nyo na po ang rendition ko ng Sabihin. And, ganun talagang tumatagal yung oras pag meron kang hinihintay. So, I suggest, maybe, while waiting, we can do something. Ito, ang bilis ng comments. Ayan, matutulog na siya kasi hindi niya nakaya. Sige, pagkababa mo ng phone mo, hindi ka makakatulog. Nangyari yan sa akin. So excited for you. Ako din po, I'm so excited. My UMG fam. And honestly, I believe that this is just the start of many more songs that are gonna be released soon. So, sana guys, supportahan nyo ako dito sa song na to kasi this is something new actually. Actually, sa mga record ng songs na na-release ko for like the past 4 years, kasi ika-5th year ko din this year, this is something new. So, I'm really, I can't wait na marinig nyo. And 7 minutes na lang, mabilis na lang to. Again, I just wanna say thank you to my Cornerstone family, my Sparkle family, and syempre, UMG family. Hindi ko na specific yung mga tao, but you know who you are. And finally, ito na. Tapos na yung planning and everything. Nandito na tayo sa putting it out there sa world. And kung meron mang makaka-relate dito, guys, sabihin nyo sa akin. Walang matutulog sa pamilyang to. Yes, yan. Walang matutulog. And also, supportahan nyo na rin yung mga ibang songs ko kasi it's still out on, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for that. Still out on all digital streaming platforms. So, may kita nyo yun doon, you know, a kind of playlist or something. Kung gusto nyo lang naman, okay, I think I'm gonna share it na rin, guys, na this song, itong sabihin din po, ay magkakaroon ng, wait lang, sure na ba ako na i-share ko na? Siyempre, magkakaroon din to ng live performance, pero to be announced kung kailan, but magkakaroon din to ng live performance. And maririnig nyo kung saang part yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na favorite ko kasi kakantayin ko siya ng live. So, nung kinanta ko to ng live, minake sure ko na makakanta ko maayos yung mga favorite parts ko, which is the whole song. So, hi, Miss Joy! Wow, hello po. Grabe kasing pa po kayo. Thank you so much for joining me. And yes, guys, thank you so much for joining me tonight. Alam ko na marami sa inyo yung pagod na dahil sa sobrang init and daming schoolworks and work. But thank you for joining me tonight. And sana makanta ko to ng live talaga, like as in live for all of you. So, sasabihin ko sa inyo pag kakanta siya na live. But in 5 minutes, eto na, maririnig na natin. Tagal pa rin ng 5 minutes. So, feeling ko pwede pa akong makakain. Tapos makapaghugas. Stay hydrated, yes. Concert, guys. Soon, sasabihin ko sa inyo pag meron. Malalaman nyo. But, syempre, isa yan sa mga pinagpipray ko. Soon. If it's God's purpose for me this year, then malalaman natin. Pero I'm just really happy that I get to share my craft pa rin sa inyo na until now. So, thank you for all your love and support. And yes, to my Zeph fanatics, guys, kung nandito kayo, syempre dapat nandito kayo. Thank you, guys! Miss ko na kayo. And alam ko na lahat tayo busy sa kanya-kanya nating life, but I believe dadating yung isang araw na magkakasundo-sundo din tayo sa ating pagsasama-sama. So, soon. Okay, kahit pala iba akong mga friends, napansin nila yung speaking voice ko. Thank you po for ano na? Oh my gosh, 4 minutes na lang. At tagal naman ng oras. Na-miss ka din po namin. Aww. But just know that maraming kaganapan sa life ko ngayon na nakaka-overwhelm. So, yeah. Sana abangan nyo yung mga yan. And we're working on so many things for all of you. Kaya, just stay put. And sasabihin namin pag meron na. But ngayon, gusto ko lang sabihin din sa inyo na in 3 minutes, malapit nyo na marinig to. Again, sa mga kakarating lang, this is a new song And this is my rendition of one of the classic OPM songs, sa